Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do this.
Let's make it pretty.
Here we are,
Hey,
y'all.
Ronnie.
As you can see, we're ready to make it pretty.
Yes.
Or purdy.
Purdy.
Purdy. Yes, his country, y'all.
It definitely just came out of nowhere.
But that's okay. As you can tell, probably we're at our wonderful planter at the bottom of our
Yes.
driveway. We mentioned this in our tour video, which if you haven't seen that, take a look back at that. We're hating this planter. I don't like it at all. I know you don't.
It just looks really sad with the half-dead lavender in it.
It's really bad, y'all. So we're gonna take the lavender out today.
Mhm.
Finally, we've been waiting to do our tour to get it done because we've had so many surplus of videos. But anyway, what we put in this bed last year, this was all deer resistant. It was a deer resistant bed, which worked beautifully. The deer didn't mess with it.
No, they didn't.
So if you want to take a look back at that, please feel free to do so to see what we used. But the lavender did not do well over winter. I do not recommend this lavender for an everlasting kind of thing. We used Elegance Purple. It came from Lowe's. It was beautiful last year. So if you want to use it, get it, treat it as an annual. It's a beautiful lavender and it smells really good.
Yeah, really strong lavender
It's very
smell.
strong. The flowers were beautiful. So it's a good, probably, a good annual. Not so good for perennial as far as we're concerned from our experience. So if you're in a warmer climate, it might be better for
Maybe.
you. I don't know. It's inexpensive, so using it as an annual, not so bad. Apologies for the wind.
Yeah.
I think we say that in every other video now.
Yeah, it's just where we're at. Of course, we're at the bottom of the driveway. A lot of our videos have probably come from this area, but it's super windy down here. It's right at the bottom of the mountain. It just
windy in
blows.
general. Like we've
Yeah.
had a really windy spring.
Yeah, we have.
So apologies for that. We do have new microphones that we're using, and we have these little fuzzy windbreakers on.
That
I hope it
hopefully
works.
hopefully they work.
Hope it works. But anyway, we're going to show you what we're going to put in here and how we're going to arrange this.
All right, so this is what we're replacing the lavender with. So this beautiful little ball is Anna's magic ball. And I'm going to read you some stats. I'm going to lay her down for a second. And I'll let you know exactly what to expect. So, hardiness, 3 to 8 for the zones.
True, that's really hardy.
Yeah, it
that's
is
awesome.
super hardy. We're in a zone 7, so this will be just fine for us here. And they get 2 to 3 feet tall and 3 to 4 foot wide. So they can get a little moundy.
I think we'll keep them shaped.
We'll keep them shaped, just where the bed that it's going. We'll want to keep it, kind of manicured and tamed, so to speak, in a way. And the spacing will be good. It's an evergreen, of course.
Well, ever yellow for that one.
It's
really
very much an ever yellow, so to speak. Let me bring it up here so you can really see it.
It's a beautiful chartreuse.
It's so bright.
Yeah, it's really nice. And from what we've been told at our garden center is this will be deer resistant as well because they don't like yellow.
We'll still treat it just as if they would try to eat it. So.
It is an arborvitae, so they may want to munch on it, but because it's yellow, it should be a little bit better. It does stay in a ball form as well, so you really don't have to do anything if you want to leave it and let it grow. But let me show you where we're going to put it. This is our mess. This is where it's going to go. You can see some of the lavender came back okay. It didn't, when we trimmed it, it didn't come back the right look that we wanted. So yeah, we're just going to pop it all out. The ones that are doing okay, I'm going to put somewhere else. And then the ones that look like this.
This right here, just
yeah,
dead.
not good. Not good at all.
No.
This one, not so good either. And then we've got another one over here that's just dead. But our Russian sage is doing beautifully.
Yeah, it's really liking its life.
Getting
down
ready to
here.
bloom. This is denim and lace, proven winners. And then we've got the Millennium alliums, and these are from Monrovia. So we've got 4 of those. They're just getting ready to bloom too, which these have already popped open, but they're a little bit ahead. We've got tons of buds on the others though.
Tons and tons.
And like I said, all deer resistant. So nothing is deer proof, but deer resistant. And then we've got our beautiful magnolia, which we showed in our tour. It's doing really, really well. It has beautiful big pink blooms. We're gonna pop them out and then we're gonna put the Anna's Magic Balls right in the middle.
Yep. and we'll move our lights.
Yep. So here we go. Okay, we've got it all out.
Yes.
So we're gonna refill the holes with a little bit of raised bed mix. We've got our leftover from our bed.
Yeah.
We love that soil, by the way. The Miracle Grow raised bed has been really, really good.
Really good.
Holds moisture really well, drains really well too. So we love that. But standard operating procedure for planting, we're gonna do these right in the center. Got plenty of room for them. Now again, these are gonna fill out. Our denim and lace will get taller, so we're gonna have yellow, purple and green. I think it's gonna be a really nice combo. Yeah, and these have a little bit of a blue tinge to them when just with the foliage before they bloom, but we'll have the purple up high there too. So we're gonna do this standard operating procedure here. We're gonna do a little bit of biotone and just get them in the ground.
Yep, here we go.
So much better, y'all.
Better.
Oh my goodness.
It just brightens it up.
Yes.
Yeah, it makes it look much better.
Anna's Magic Ball, like, I want these everywhere.
Yeah, I really like these little shrubs.
You all will love these. They are so bright. They're so unusual as well.
Yeah, they're just fun.
And just the perfect little ball.
Yeah, and it's just so petite. But
Now
it'll get bigger, of course, but it's just so cute.
I'm assuming this is a cousin to Tater Tot arborvitae, again from Proven Winners.
Yeah.
Just the yellow version of it. And we have a Tater Tot that we planted last year. You will have seen it in videos if you've been watching for a while, but my gosh, that thing has done so well.
So pretty.
It's about this big already. It stays in a perfect ball. We've done nothing to touch it.
Literally nothing.
The deer haven't messed with it either, actually.
No.
But we did get these locally at Thomas Hollow Nursery. So if you are local, they have tons of these. They have them in a 2-gallon and a 1-gallon. We got the 1-gallon because we have a smaller space. We didn't want them to be very big yet. They will grow.
Yes.
We love that they will grow. And gosh, just go get you some if you're local. Like you will love these plants. If you're not local, check them out at your local garden center, wherever you are, or on provenwinners.com. to have them there as well. They're just an amazing plant. So let's take you through a close-up and show you what these are looking like all together. Okay, so here we are from the front. This is the view from our road. You can see how that yellow just stands out. My gosh, beautiful. It's just, that lavender, the lavender was just so bad.
Yeah, this just really, something so small can make such an impact sometimes.
And it's so much cleaner.
Yes.
I think that's what I love about it. And we want a little bit of formality here. So I think this is going to give us that.
I think it also ties in the arbs from the arb bed next to it.
Yeah.
Even though it's a little different, it's a different color, it's still the same texture.
It is.
And it ties it in.
For sure. Yeah. And when these are all blooming, I think it's going to look even better because you're going to have that blue or the purplish blue of the Russian sage and the purple in the allium, which is going to really make that yellow stand out. So let us know in the comments what you think. And also let me know, do you see that this is centered? We're both having trouble. I think it's because the allium over here is a little bit bigger, but I'd love to know if you think it's centered or not. I think I need to move it just a little bit to the left, but anyway, y'all can tell us better than we can because we are horrible judges at that sort of thing. But let us know what you think. Do you love these arbs? Are you gonna go get some for yourself? I think you should. All right, so there we have it.
Yeah.
Glad you
Easy
joined us for
peasy.
this one. It was easy.
Yeah.
And look at this. I
So
just love this
cute.
little ball. It's so adorable. And the color is just incredible.
Yeah.
It's an amazing plant. So we hope you've enjoyed this video. Let us know what you think in the comments. We'd love your opinions on how we're doing with our garden.
Yeah.
We've had some great conversations. I
Yeah.
appreciate everyone's comments.
Yeah, thanks so much. We
Yeah.
love to engage with
Yeah.
everyone. It's so much fun to really see like how many people have watched and what they took from the videos and stuff. So
Yeah.
it's really cool.
Yeah, we're here to share our love and sharing your love as well,
Mhm.
we hope. So anyway, what are they going to do?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
As always, we appreciate you so much. Join us again next time. We've got a couple more fun annuals, I think, to do coming up.
More annuals.
Yeah. So we appreciate you. Bye for now.
Bye.